So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for concrete technology week second assignment second. So the first question is a cement paste prepared with 300 gram of cement has a water cement ratio WIC PF 0.4. What is the capillary porosity at the end of 1 year assuming that maximum hydration has taken place? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is 0. And now let's go to our question number 2. A cement paste was prepared with 200 gram of cement and a water cement ratio of 0.25. Calculate the volume of gel pores at the end of 1 year assuming maximum hydration has taken place in 1 year. So the answer of our second question is 38.8. And now let's go to our question number 3. Choose the correct match of the following properties of cement with the apparatus used for their testing. So these are the option and the answer of our third question is B. And now let's go to our question number 4. What is the cement to stand ratio for testing of mortar cubes for strength? So these are the option 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. So the answer of our fourth question is 1:3. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which of the following is not a supplementary cementitious material for cement? So these are the option fly ash, sand, slag, silica, fume. So the answer of our fifth question is sand. And now let's go to our question number 6. If the mean sieve size is 8 mm, what size particles will be considered as flaky? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is A. Having thickness less than 4.8 mm. And now let's go to our question number 7. Which of the following represents true relation between void content and angularity factor? So these are the option. Void content is unrelated to angularity factor. Void content decreases with increase in angularity factor. Void content increases with increase in angularity factor. None of the above. So the answer of our seventh question is C. Void content increases with increase in angularity factor. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.